All right, welcome back, Southern California POS Systems, showing you how to use Future POS front end. This video is going to go over how to move an item if you make a mistake and add an item to one person's check where it should have really been on a totally different table's check, or maybe even on an individual at that table's check. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, we're logging in. All right, favorite guy here, clock in. All right, we'll start a check. Again, we can start a check by just choosing an item. It's going to tell me, hey, what table are they at? Okay. That can be turned off, but that's a fail safe to make sure we're getting people at the right table. We're going to put a few things on this person's check. Okay. We got some things on this person's check. We're going to go a new seat at the table. So this person's getting all of this good stuff. This person's going to have this. And this is a modifier pop-up screen. This can be programmed in or out to make it faster for you. So if you're going to have to choose anyway, some of this stuff, we can do that, and then it just puts it all in. So now we have all of these good stuff right here, and then they go to close the check, and you realize that they want separate checks. And really, the bottle of water belonged to seat two, and you don't want to have that go on their check. So simply choose the item and then choose the seat that you want it to be on. That's as easy. That's how easy it is to move the item from one person's seat to another when you're ready to close them out. And this can be for as many seats as you want. All right, we're gonna send this order off. Okay, we got another group that just came in, and they're gonna be on seat right over here, and they're gonna order a few things. Okay, and they order some of this good stuff there, there, and beverage. Boom. Okay, we have um, let's see, we got another person here who gets a couple things. Okay, so oops. So I'm gonna choose this. We'll put it on C2. Choose this. We'll put it on C2. All right, we're gonna send that order. Now we realize that, oh my goodness, um, this onion soup really belongs on 13, not 23. Okay, ever make that mistake? So I'm gonna go to user functions down here, and I'm looking for move item. All right. I choose my item that's messed up. It's a goofy item. Here it is. Okay, on table 23. I'm gonna hit move item. It's gonna tell me really the only other table that's open is table 13. You want to move it there? Sure thing. Hit OK, and it's off. Okay, it is no longer on table 23's check. It's now on table 13's check. Okay, and if you have to move it once you find it, uh, here's on person number 3, but maybe it really belongs on person number 2's check. Okay, person number 3 can go away. One quick touch on one other thing, corrections. Going back, make a mistake. All right, we're going to hit the correction button, except for we can't correct something that's already been sent to the kitchen. We have to void whatever's been sent to the kitchen. So this green dot's right down here tells you that these items have been sent to the kitchen. Kitchen's making it. You got to go back and tap them on the shoulder, tell them, hey, don't make that, because simply correcting it here will not do anything. You can void it, and we can have them get a ticket that says, hey, void that item. All right, but if I hit correct here, it's not going to allow me to void an item or to do an item without that item being voided. And a voided item, either you'll have permission to do that as a server, or you'll need a supervisor to do that for you. Okay, and that is void light item right here. Okay, again, we still need supervisor permission to do that. All right, that's how to move an item from one seat to another, and how to move an item from one ticket to another using Future POS. Thanks for joining here. Keep following these videos to learn more about how to use Future POS. We'll keep them short and sweet.